Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to talk about writing linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form of y equals mx plus b. We are going to talk first linear equation. So what is a linear equation? So a linear equation has two forms. We have first is the standard form. What is a standard form? It is in a form of ax plus by equals c, wherein a and b must not equal to 0. Example, 3x plus 2y equals 8. So in this example, a is equal to 3, b equals 2, and c is equal to 8. We have also the slope-intercept form. Our slope-intercept form is in the form of y equals mx plus b. So wherein m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So it is called slope-intercept form. A example, y equals 5x plus 6. So in this example, m is the numerical coefficient of x. Therefore, we can say that m equals 5. The slope here is equal to 5. And b, the y-intercept, is equal to 6. We write the equation 3x minus 5y equals 10 in the form y equals mx plus b. By inspection, ang atong equation is in the standard form. So, ato siyang i-rewrite. Meaning, ato siyang usbon o sulat nga mahimo siyang form nga y equals mx plus b, our slope-intercept form. So, unsa may una natong buhaton? So, dili kalimtan, standard form to slope-intercept form. So, what is the standard form? It is ax plus by equals c to slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. So from this form, ax plus by equals c, ato siyang himuon into y equals mx plus b. So atong lantawon, here, sa standard form, ang left side sa tuang equation, naa siya'y x o y. Then, ang iyaang right side is ang c. Here, sa slope-intercept form, ang iyang left side, ang naa si y. It is only y. And then, ang iyang right side, we have here mx plus b. So, lahi ragid ang form sa standard, lahi pod ang form sa slope-intercept form. So, it is very important nga itong ila-ilahon unsay itsura sa standard form ug unsay itsura sa slope-intercept form para kabaluta og asa natoy balhin-balhin ang mga x and y. So, ang 3x minus 5y equals 10 is in standard form. Ato siyang himuong slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. So, diri aring dapita, we have x and y. But in the slope-intercept form, dapat y ra ang mabilin. So, unsaon man nato siya para si kaning term nga naay y ang mabilin. So, dapat ibalhin nato si 3x to the right side. So, kung ibalhin nato si 3x to the right side, mahimo siyang negative 5y equals negative 3x plus 10. So, as you can see, gibalhin nato si 3x, gikan siya sa left side, nitabok siya sa itong equal symbol, aron siya moabot sa right side. So, nganong ibutang mo siya sa right side, it is because ang mx naa sa right side. And then, the question is, nganong negative siya? From the left side, positive siya. ug mobalhin siya, mutabog siya sa equal symbol, mahimong negative ang iyaang sign. So, mao true ang sign from positive to negative. Or, kung negative siya, himuon nato siyang positive. So, whenever mutabok na gani siya sa pikas nga side, niagi siya sa equal symbol, mao true na gyud ang iyang sign. Positive to negative or pwede pog negative to positive. Depende sa sign sa 3x. So, ang nabilin, sa left side, we have negative 5y is equal to, ang atong right side, ang 10 na dugangan og negative 3x. So, nahimo siyang negative 5y equals negative 3x plus 10. Then, ang atong form must be y equals mx plus b. So, dapat y lang jud ang mabilin sa left side. Pero naaman tay negative 5. So, how to eliminate negative 5? So, to eliminate negative 5, dapat ato siyang dividean og negative 5. Silang tanan, mag-divide ta og negative 5. So, unsay tapad ni y, mao po na i-divide natong tanan para ang mabilin is y. So, since negative 5 man ang tapad ni y, silang tanan atong dividean og negative 5. Okay, again, unsay tapad ni y, mao po'y atong i-divide ni latanan. Okay? So, negative 5y over negative 5 equals negative 3x over negative 5 plus 10 over negative 5. Then, tagsa-tagsaon na tog divide. So, negative 5 divided by negative 5, that is positive 1. So, mahimo siyang y. Then, negative 3 divided by negative 5. Simplest form naman siya. Negative divided by negative from the rule of the division of integers. Pag mag-divide tag, like sign, ang iyang answer is positive. So, mahimo siya ang positive 3/5 x. So, atong ipagawas ang x at 3/5. Okay, it should be in the form of mx. Para sayo na to pagpangita sa value ni m. Then, 10 divided by negative 5. So, unlike sign, ang iyaang sign is negative. 10 divided by negative 5, that is negative 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2, 3 over 5x minus 2. It is already in the form of y equals mx plus b. So, what is our m? So, our m is 3 over 5 and our b is equal to negative 2. Rewrite the equation x plus y equals negative 4 in the form y equals mx plus b. So, from standard form to slope intercept form. From ax plus by equals c to y equals mx plus b. So, ang atong given x plus y equals negative 4, it is in the standard form. So, our A here is 1, B is positive 1, and C is negative 4. So, ato siyang himuon into y equals mx plus b. So, as you can see, ang left side is only y. So, dapat si x ibalhin sa right side because mx naa sa right side. So, kung ato siyang ibalhin, ang positive x, ibalhin may mo siyang negative x. Therefore, ang ato ang slope-intercept form is y equals negative x minus 4. So, find for m. M here is equal to negative 1 and b equals negative 4. Okay, rewrite 5 minus 2x plus y equals 0 to y equals mx plus b. So, ang form ani niya is not in the standard form. So, first, ato sa siyang himuon into standard form, ax plus by equals c. Because in this case, ang atong c nga 5 is naa sa left side. It should be in the right side. So, dapat ato sa siyang ibalhin siya sa right side. So, kung ato siyang ibalhin sa right side, so, ang mabilin is we have negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 5. So, why is it negative 5? It is because ang positive 5, atong ibalhin siya sa right side, nahimo siyang negative 5. So, this is already in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, nindot kaya kung agi, no? So, ato siyang ibalhin into y equals mx plus b. So, dapat sa negative 2x, atong ibalhin siya sa right side. So, ang mabilin, si y. Y is equal to, ang negative, mahimo siyang positive kay, ibalhin siya sa right side, nitabok siya sa equal symbol. So, mahimo siyang 2x minus 5. So, as you can see, it is already in the form of y equals mx plus b. So, what is m? So, here, klaro kaayo, ang m is equal to 2, then, ang atong b is equal to negative 5. So, what if ang given is y equals 2x only? Y equals 2x. So, after ninyo na himo siya into slope-intercept form, ang final nga equation is y equals 2x. So, of course, our m is equal to 2. No question for that, di ba? M is equal to 2. It is because m is equal to 2 kay 2x man siya. So, ang numerical coefficient ni x is positive 2, therefore, mauna ang yang m. But how about b? So, wala man tayo nakita diring b, di ba? So, kung wala tayo nakitang b, it is understood nga ang b is equal to 0. Therefore, ang atong b is equal to 0. So, kung wala tayo nakita nga b, ang value sa b is equal to 0.